Hello guys, in this video let us check out the IMOU Rex 4 megapixel smart indoor security camera. Now this camera retails at a price of $70 on Amazon.com. Use the code TrendyBlog to get 20% discount on this camera and other IMOU products that you buy from Amazon.com. Now here you can see here are some of the features given such as 4K video etc. You can read the full review of this camera on our blog. Link to same will be in the description. Now unboxing the box pack, you can see here we get important information which states that this camera only supports 2.1 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which means that you can't use a 5 gigahertz router with this camera. So make sure to use a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi band. Now you can see here is the camera and here are some of the features that you can see on the screen. The camera looks quite nice and is built really well. To the rear side we have few of the ports. So we have the micro USB port, card slot, LAN port and the reset button. So here is the IMOU Life app. So in this app you can go and configure this camera and start using this camera. It's pretty easy. Also here you can see it shows the demo which you can just use to navigate to the app, and in the app you can just scan the QR code or manually you can add the device of your camera if you know. So it's better to scan the QR code and directly just add the camera to the app, and you can just go through the basic location settings, enable permissions etc, and within few seconds your device would be added here successfully. So you can see our device is added now. Now you can select the room which you want to give it, rename your device etc. Now as you can see it's written where you want to use the device. We'll select home and you get to this dashboard where it shows all the information. You also get a firmware upgrade which we did. So here you can see the pan and tilt is very smooth. We can just move it in any direction. It works pretty nicely. In the settings mode you can set the home layout and whatever wish you want. You have two home layouts, you can set that, and then you have other settings that you can tinker with. So you can see here we have the camera shielding. So this is a privacy mode kind of thing. When you click it, it enables and then your privacy has been shielded, which means that the camera will not look at anything. Here we have smart scenes. So smart scenes are basically rule engines wherein where it detects some activity and then it performs some activity. For example, you can just send push notification, enable motion detection etc. So here you can see you can add it. So it's pretty easy. When you add it you can see you can have a manual trigger, something detected, arrived something, so you can just trigger it and then it will perform the action according. So that's quite nice, the smart feature. Now if you look at the camera tilt and pan, it's very smooth. We tried it multiple times and it works absolutely brilliant, and it's almost in real time, so there is no lag. There also do not disturb mode, which you when you enable it, the camera will go in do not disturb mode and you will not get any notifications regarding any of the activity. You also have support for voice assistant like Alexa and Google, which is quite nice. You can just use voice assistant to do a lot of action. So here you can see we have the spotlight mode etc. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button, also press the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a video. We upload videos on quick gadget reviews, audio reviews, vlogs, food, lifestyle, etc. So here you can see here is a tech blog which is the trendyblog.in, wherein we upload about productivity, gadget reviews etc. So you can check out our blog and get some cool information about latest review of the products. So guys, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our blog to get updated on latest tech. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. This is the Trendy Blog.